What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn, and in today's episode, I will teach you how to add Stripe on Shopify. So let's get it started. So first of all, open your Shopify app, and on your Shopify app, go to your settings right here in the bottom left, and under settings, go to Payment, and on Payment, just click Choose Third Party Provider, and right there you can search Stripe. And as you can see, Stripe accepts Visa, MasterCard, and Apple Pay. So if you want that, just click Stripe. Then you will be redirected to the Stripe website, and you just need to sign up for an account. Or if you already have an account, just log into your account. And if you don't have, just sign up. It's easy. And after signing up, you will need to provide your address, your email, your phone number, and also your payment methods, your Visa card, or even Apple Pay, it accept. And that's it. After you done that, after you have your account, it will be automatically connected to your Shopify. And that's it. If you will see your Shopify under your payment methods, that's all you can do. And also, that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.